Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos roti at home. First, let's prepare the dough. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Next, add 1/2 cup of warm water and 2 tablespoons of oil. Knead the mixture for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Then, cover the dough and let it rest for at least 30 minutes at room temperature. This resting period is crucial for a tender roti. Now, let's create a delicious filling for your tacos roti. Start by browning 1 pound of your preferred ground meat in a pan with 1 diced onion. Once the meat is cooked, add 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 finely chopped bell pepper. Season generously with 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin for an authentic taste. Let this mixture simmer for about 15 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly. With your dough rested and filling ready, it's time to cook the roti. Divide the dough into 8 equal portions. On a lightly floured surface, roll each portion into a thin 6-inch diameter circle. Heat a griddle or flat pan over medium-high heat. Cook each roti for approximately 1 minute per side until you see golden brown spots and it begins to puff up slightly. This quick cooking ensures a soft and pliable roti. Finally, let's assemble your homemade tacos roti. Take a warm, freshly cooked roti and place a generous spoonful of your flavorful filling down the center. Now, it's time to customize. Add your favorite toppings, such as fresh salsa, shredded lettuce, or grated cheese. Gently fold the roti in half to create your taco. Serve these delicious tacos roti immediately to enjoy their warmth and incredible homemade taste. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.